Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start now. Trim 1 lb chicken into even 1/2 pieces and pat them dry so the coating sticks. Season each piece with 1 tsp salt, 1/2 tsp pepper, and 1 tsp garlic powder. This flavors inside and outside. Next, make a 3-station dredge: 1 cup flour, 2 beaten eggs, and 1.5 cups breadcrumbs. Once done, press chicken into flour, shake off excess, then into egg. This sequence, now coat and secure the crumbs. After the egg bath, press each piece into breadcrumbs firmly for 10 to 15 seconds per side so crumbs adhere. This is how you get even coverage. Once coated, place pieces on a rack and let them rest 5 minutes. This sets the crust and prevents flaking during cooking. If you want extra crunch, double coat by repeating the egg then crumbs. Make sure to keep pieces separate so steam doesn't make the crust soggy. Finish by cooking to 165 degrees F. Pan fry in 3 tablespoon oil for 3 to 4 minutes per side over medium-high for a golden crust, or bake at 400 degrees F for 15 to 20 minutes on a rack. Once done, drain on a rack and rest 3 minutes so juices redistribute. If crumbs fall off, press the coating more firmly and chill pieces 10 minutes before cooking. Or add 1 tablespoon mayonnaise to the egg mix to improve adhesion. That tip fixes most shedding.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.